I like your hat, Karuna. Where are you going to wear your hat and glasses? Where should we go?
To Barton Springs.
Great idea.
I don't need her hat.
You don't need it?
We're here.
Yay, should we swim?
Yeah.
Let's splash around.
Oh, I have goggles up there.
You do have goggles up there.
Well, look on those goggles, glasses,
Oh, silly Whitney.
sunglasses.
They're goggles.
Hello Kitty on them.
They do have Hello Kitty on them.
Have to use scissors.
We need to use scissors to open the package. But then we'll get those goggles out and Karuna can wear them.
Or sometime here or some at Barton Springs.
Yes.
I want to hold them.
You want to hold the sunglasses?
Yeah. You know?
The goggles? Okay, I'll get them.